Today I will show you how to use local network sharing. On network sharing you can share any kind of files, like documents, music and even movies. First, make sure all the computers and Android phones are connected on the same network. On the first computer, open the File Explorer and go to Documents folder. After that, create a folder and rename it with My Shared folder. Right-click the created folder and go to Properties. On the upper tab, click the Sharing tab. Under the Sharing tab, click the Share button. On the drop-down list, select Everyone and click the Add button. And change the read to read write so anyone on the network can change the files. Right-click again the created folder and click the Advanced Sharing. Click the checkbox to activate the Share this folder. Then click Apply and OK button and you're done sharing the folder. You can now check the shared folder by going to the left portion of the File Explorer and click the network link. Any computers, laptops, Mac PCs or even Android phones can now access the shared folder through the local network as long as they're connected on the same network. We will try to create a sample file. Just open the Word app and type test file. And save it to shared folder we've created. We will now try to access the shared folder on the other computer and also on Android phone. First you need to go to App Store and download the My Files app. This app is the File Explorer for Android phones. And it can access the local files including local networks. Open now the My Files app and scroll down all the way to the bottom and click the Add Network Storage. Then choose the network drive SMB. And wait until the shared computer name reveal and click the right computer name. For me, Luntotsky. Don't fill anything, just click the checkbox to sign in anonymously. Then click the Add button. You can now access the Share folder that we shared on the first computer. You can now copy or paste any files on the shared folder using your Android phone. We can now access the shared folder on the second laptop. Just go to the File Explorer and click the network link to access all the shared folders on the local network.
We can also copy or paste documents and other files easily through the local network.
Now, we will share our printer through our local network. First, plug in the printer USB to the host computer and switch it on. Make sure that the correct printer driver are installed on the host computer. Go to Windows Settings and click the Devices. On the right side, click the Devices and Printers. Look for the default printer and right-click. Click the Printer Properties and click the Sharing tab. Check the box beside the Share this printer. Click Apply and click OK to exit. Now our printer is already shared on the local network. Anyone who's connected on the local network can print remotely using laptop, desktop, or even Android phones. Now we will set up the local printer on the second computer. Just open the File Explorer. On the left side, click the Network. And look for the shared folder and find the shared printer. And double-click to Shared Printer to install the driver. And you're ready to go. We need to make the shared printer our default printer. Just open the Windows setting and click the Devices. Then click the Devices and Printers and look for the shared printer and make it the default printer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.